We are approached from time to time by practitioners who've decided they want to try and sell their practice or their fee bank for lots of good reasons around retirement or just having got to the end of their journey. And we're asked the question, why would they sell to us? Why sell to us rather than a third party? And there's a few good reasons for that. We're not a broker. Brokers have a role in the marketplace in terms of making connection between buyer and seller, but we're not a broker. We are a franchise business and we represent a number of individual franchisees who work within our network. So we're not a broker and we don't behave as a broker. What we can do is provide ready-made buyers for practices. We have a very scaled, aspirational group of franchisees who are looking at further opportunities. They understand how those opportunities can work, they understand what buying a practice looks like, and they, generally speaking, have experience, they have structures in place, they have funding in place, and they therefore have the abilities to be good quality buyers in the eye of a vendor. That fit is really important. So that's a second factor. The third factor is us. We sit between our franchisees and any business they're buying, and we advise. We advise the acquirers and we advise the sellers, if need be, to make sure that the transaction is as seamless as it can be. We're avoiding obvious pitfalls that we've seen many times before because we've done this many times before, and we're giving the transaction every chance to go through as quickly as possible, as easily as possible, and hopefully as cheaply as possible in terms of fees, costs, legal advice that are needed. So that's really the benefit of working with us. We have a ready-made group of buyers. We have the experience of working with a number of buyers and sellers over years, and we have the ability to transition practices in a fairly seamless way into a long-established and working model.